Hello my lovelies, good day. How are you all doing? I believe you are all good. So in today's video, my lovelies, I'll be teaching us how to make a cooking cream. So the first thing I will do is I'll put my cooking pot on my stove like so. So this is the butter I'm using for this video. I'll pour in my butter. This is my milk. I'll pour in the milk now. Like I'm doing so. I will stir the two to combine very well before I put the last ingredient for this tutorial. I want to stir the butter and the milk together. So mix very well. Our cooking cream is almost ready. Just one more ingredient to add to this mixture and we are good to go, lovelies. This is the last ingredient, my slurry. That is my cornstarch with a little bit of water. I will dissolve it with this water before I pour into the mixture on the stove. This tutorial is just straightforward. It is simple and straightforward. So you don't need to be buying those store-bought cooking cream. You can make a cooking cream at home yourself, lovelies. So this is what I'm teaching you now. You know, in Nigeria now, things are very, very expensive. So we need to be mindful of what we spend our money on. We don't need to be wasteful. We don't need to waste any money these days. Things are very, very expensive in Nigeria. So I'll pour this slurry now into the mixture. Like so. To make this small quantity cooking cream for my pasta. So I'm using all this at once. Can you see what I am seeing? Our cooking cream is ready, lovelies. So thank you for watching, sharing, liking, commenting and subscribing to my YouTube channel. So lovelies, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can give you more amazing, more vibrant content on my channel. So thank you once more and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.